This is the first time ever we are giving the intro from somewhere. Where are we? Hush Cafe. What's up guys? कैसे हो? Elana, hope everyone is doing great. Yes. Yeah. No, nothing bro. Dull dim unde. So I thought. Yeah, saw my friends. So we are back to business. What happened to you, Aditya? Yeah.
Nothing bro.
Oh, all good?
Yeah.
Then why are you looking like a six pack?
అంటే జిమ్ వర్కౌట్
లోపల కుట్లేసారు ప్యాక్
Ataga.
కుట్టారు 6 ప్యాక్స్ కుట్టారు.
And we are waiting for a driver.
ఎంత ఫన్నీ ఉంటుంది.
I think he's here. Yeah, orange Seltos వేసుకొచ్చిండు.
ఎవరు డ్రైవింగ్
How? What's up bro?
వాట్స్ అప్ బ్రో లాంగ్ టైం నో సీ.
చెప్పరా మనం
నేను పిల్లోనేరా
డివోర్స్ అయిపోయినాం అనుకుంటున్నారు.
వయసుకి వచ్చినావు నువ్వు పిల్లోడే వాళ్ళు
బూతులు మింగేది. Manual Seltos. How much ever we call, one fellow will not come. Finally today he came. Why did you come? Because I said we're gonna eat Seasons Express ka chicken. That is the reason. For the grilled chicken he came. Yes or no?
No re, ఈరోజు దసరా ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఈటింగ్ చికెన్ యు నో.
అబ్బా
కట్ చేస్తే
oh yeah off camera Srijan is like
చేస్తే కూడా లోపల
proper vegetarian today.
నేను దసరా రా
అబ్బా సిగ్నేచర్ల మే
Srijan lights on చేసావేంటి? We have Sony A7S3. What the you are talking?
నువ్వెందుకు అనిస్తా నీ పైన
అంటే నేను కొంచెం స్పెషల్ కనిపించాలి కదా. We are Ladakh group dude. Ladakh Lafoots here.
కరెంట్ లదాఖ్ ఓల్డ్ లదాఖ్ రెండు వస్తారు.
Oh, this is old Ladakh. This is the nostalgic Ladakh.
2.0 లదాఖ్ వస్తుంది. కంపేర్ టు యువర్ GT వేరియంట్ ఈ కార్ లో పవర్ తక్కువ, టర్బో కాదు ఇది. కానీ మైలేజ్ యావరేజ్ 15.5.
Wow, this is diesel, right?
Petrol
man. This is, by the way, I'm sitting in the Seltos. This is a base variant Seltos. Oh yeah, I can see the Chotu screen.
అది చోటు.
And this is a petrol. He is getting manual man. 15 point. What is this dude? ఎట్లా హౌ
అక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు 15.6 ఉండే, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి 15.5.
Nice. This is amazing mileage. Why the power is less? There's no turbo in this.
Seltos కొనే ముందు he says Seltos is for my dad, Varna is my car. I only ride my Varna.
True. But what to do? My dad wants the Varna only. Oh, by the way, if people are thinking we planned all this today, no, nothing. We didn't plan anything. This happened very randomly. Like me and Charan just met. Then Aditya said I also want to meet because I was somewhere else for the last 10 or 15 days. Mask tirusle expression.
సర్జికల్ మాస్క్
సర్జరీ మాస్క్ రాది. డాక్టర్ సర్జరీ చేస్తాడు, వాడేసుకోవాలి, అది నువ్వు కాదు.
అవునరా యశోద ఫ్రీ ఇచ్చిరు.
And then Srijan, how did you appear all of a sudden? Like how? Poof. ఇక్కడ తిరుగుతున్నాడు, అందుకు వచ్చాడు. నో యూ కేమ్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ గ్రిల్డ్ చికెన్. తిండి చెప్తే కానీ మావాడు రాడు, ఏం చేయాలి? Okay, today you'll be seeing sensors around me whenever Srijan is there, so you can understand. His plate will be censored, okay? He's not eating chicken.
Okay, idli oka vada better.
Anyways, let's meet with the beautiful grilled chicken Seasons Express. The shiny chicken. I wanted to eat chicken for a long time.
All craving kaadu.
Yeah, full next level craving.
Arey Karimnagar.
Oh yes, this is what we are craving for, and he's running away. Where are you going, bro? Sergio, you are not eating. Oh, actually he's not eating. Huh? Oh, into telsu kada. Okay. These two Lafoots are just chilling. Need mask kare, a mask ni maderaanu. Surgery aitunnappudu. Come first, let's dig in this. I'm craving a lot for this. సుజు ఇది చూడరా, చియర్స్ రా. అదిరిపోతున్నాయి చేతులు. ఈ షివరింగ్. 1 2 3 cheers bro. Okay, done. We are done with proper Seasons Express. Next level తిన్నాం నేను సుజు. చించి వదిలేసిన ప్లేట్లు. Unfortunately మన ఆదిత్య couldn't eat. అంతేం చేయలేం కొన్ని రోజులు. Diet is very important. He needs to eat only.
It's a very crucial part of my life right now.
He should eat only whole meat. Now it's time for desserts. I'm not gonna have. We are on diet.
Aadu ade annadu
off camera.
Aadu ade annadu.
And we're gonna meet the rest of the gang. Once again, this is not planned. Absolutely not planned. Chaitanya called randomly. Shiva called
I called Shiva.
You call Shiva. So that's how the plan is going on.
Yeah.
Ready? Action? Hey, what's up? That's a retake. ఈయన్ని చూపించిన ఇందాకనే. There is Shiva T120. ఆ క్యాప్టెన్ సాబ్ ఈయన్ని చూపించేసా. అన్ని చూపించేసా. Hey, what's up, bro? Nice helmet, bro. That's a freaking light helmet. Shoei helmet is literally 1150 grams. Freaking light. The lightest helmet I've ever held. By the way, the Germany guy who had to get my visor is this guy. Where is my visor?
ఇంట్లో ఉంది.
జర్మనీలో
నా
కొన్ని
helmet మీద ఉండాలి.
లాస్ట్ టైం టెస్ట్ అంటే నువ్వు ఏమన్నావు?
వాడు జర్మనీకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఒక ఇల్లు కొన్నాడు. నీ వైజాగ్ ఆ ఇంట్లో ఉంది.
By the way, the GS is here. Shiva's GS on Murray. Whenever this guy gets the bike, na, it will rain. And that is the R90.
నిన్ననే డీటెయిల్ చెప్పించినాను.
నీకు అదే పని కదా, డీటెయిల్ చెప్పాను, మళ్ళీ బయటకు తీసుకురావాలి, మళ్ళీ ఇంటికి ఆగచ్చు కదరా ఒక నిమిషం. సో హీ డిడ్ సమ్ mod. Sounds good. So what did you do to the bike? And we'll talk later. Wait one second. ఆ సౌండ్ వినిపించదు. ఏం చేసావు బండిని?
చిన్న సర్జరీ చేశాను బండికి.
చిన్న సర్జరీ లాగా లేదు అది, మొత్తం బయాప్సీ ఇచ్చినట్టుంది.
ముందు క్వైట్ గా బాగాలేకుండే సౌండ్, ఇప్పుడు లౌడ్ గా బాగాలేదు సౌండ్. అంతే తేడా.
నాకు వేరే భాష వస్తుంది.
మనం వాల్యూమ్ పెంచాం.
The idle sound is good. Idle sound is nice. Okay, I could end the video there because after that I just came back home. Do you guys remember my last vlog where I took the straight twin out for a spin in the night? Whenever I take the straight twin out, I get a different joy because of that amazing torque and all that. But for sure, I don't think I'll be taking out the bike out in the nights again. It was scary. I'll tell you why. I mean, genuinely, I'm not trying to complain here. It is a serious concern. Today, I was even telling my friends about it. People are driving in such a rash way in the nights because obviously roads are empty. I'm like, I want to enjoy the bike. Let's enjoy the bike. Aram se, let's ride like 40-50 kilometers an hour, feel the beat. Especially in the cars, they're ripping like so close to you at 80, 90, 110 kilometers an hour. This is insane, dude. I told my friends never again. I mean, they asked me today, we came on the bikes, why didn't you get the bike today? I told them, never I'm going to take out the bike in the nights. It is so scary. I mean, think what you want to think. From here, I'm telling you, it was legit scary. I don't know if people are drunk and driving like that. I don't know why I'm telling this on camera. I just like to share everything with you guys. In case, if any one of you, I hope you're not one of those. But if you are someone who drives like rashly, like ruthlessly, don't do that, yaar. Be sensible, yaar. I also do high speed sometimes. But you have to be sensible. Where are you doing it? Inside the city, definitely not at all acceptable. I've seen one or two people, I don't know if they did it wantedly, but they're coming like 100 kilometers per hour in front of me, suddenly hitting the brakes, and I could hear the squeaking sound of the tires. It was so scary. What the hell is going on, dude? Anyways, you guys got my point right. In case you're one of those, please, yeah, don't drive like that. It's not good for you as well, because if you're in a car, doesn't mean you're full on safe. Even if it's a 5-star car, if things go wrong, they'll go wrong. Be careful. Aram se chalo. Live longer. Have fun in life, dude. This is not the way you have fun. There are many other ways to have fun without disturbing others, without affecting others' lives. Thoda gyan zyada ho gaya today, but this is what I felt. I'm hoping. I'm not trying to change the world here, but just in hopes some people listen to me, right? At least if that guy is one of those who ride like rash, at least he'll change, hopefully. Anyways, let's end the vlog here. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. It was a very different, very raw vlog. I never started a vlog like that, but I was in that mood in that moment. I thought, let's capture this stuff and just see how it goes. Every time we start a vlog from here. So then, for some reason, in case you guys have enjoyed this vlog, you guys know what to do, right? Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.